All right then, access to well-aggregated data is absolutely vital to business decisions and policy making, but it's a huge challenge across the continent. Now that's partly due to a lack of proper infrastructure to collect and analyze information. But in Nigeria, one tech entrepreneur is clearing that hurdle with his data collecting mobile phone app. He's already gaining quite the reputation as a reliable data source. CGTN's Kelechi Emekalam has a story.
This living room is where it all started in September last year. IT expert Tomi Ayorinde, alongside his teammates, spend most of their time compiling and analyzing data here.
Let's just map what we've done.
And part of it is this brainstorming session to set them off for the tasks on the field. His business idea was born out of the fact that Nigeria lacks good data in key areas and the need to engage million youths who are without work.
Unlike the developed world where everything is all connected and you can just go to a laptop and people input data, it's a different case here. So we realized that if we could adopt mobile technology and we've got a long list of unemployed graduates, and if we could combine that together, and they've got smart devices because it's a rise of smartphones in Nigeria. So we realized if we could bring all that together, we could actually create a platform that would be the most reliable way to gather data in Africa.
Walking through the markets to survey vendors on the cost of goods is a regular for Tomi and his team. They collect the data via mobile phones, increasing the data pool. But that's not all they've been able to achieve. They're gradually building a clientele base in this and expanding to other sectors.
Today, we're doing a whole lot more. We have more customers reaching out to us, and we're not even advertising. We're only growing by word of mouth, and different customers need different kind of data. So insurance companies want to turn our agents to some sort of insurance agents that can help them reach areas that their own agents can't reach. In the health sector, they want us to help us edit the primary healthcare facilities across the country.
With agents spread across the country, Tomi is beginning to make business sense of his platform and hoping to spread to other African countries. He's working on projects that could spiral policy changes at government level.
We're working on an exciting project right now that we believe would influence economic policies right now. Like I said, we cover different kinds of data, and we can do more. The possibilities, I must tell you, is huge. The opportunity is there. There's a whole lot of data that is offline, not on the internet. There's a whole lot of data that you can't get just browsing the internet, but our agents can go get it for you.
Tomi is among the increasing generation of young Nigerians who are establishing technology-driven firms. Many of them have been aided by Ventures Platform, one of the most advanced incubator hubs in Abuja that provide basic facilities for startup IT firms like Tomi's. Asides internet facilities and workplaces, they also link startups with investors. Nigeria is generally not your country where reliable data drives decision-making, either in business or policy changes at government level. And the reason for that is quite obvious. Well-aggregated databases are simply non-existent, and that's why young men like Tomi have limitless opportunities to make an impact on how things are done. Kelechi, Emekalam, CGTN, Abuja, Nigeria.